Hi friends! Welcome to Kitchen Princess Bamboo Japanese Everyday Food. Today I want to share with you Nasu-no-Nibitashi, deep fried eggplant simmered in dashi broth. It is a very popular side dish in the summertime when eggplant is seasoned. It's my favorite eggplant dish of all, and I make it at least once a week and kept in the fridge so you can make ahead as one of the meal prep of the week. Deep fried eggplant becomes so tender and absorbs dashi broth into the spongy flesh. It is so delicious. And I always make a big batch for the other dish cooked with soumen noodles. Let's get started. Rinse and clean the outside of your eggplant and pat dry. Cut off the stem and cut into two lengthwise. Score the surface in a crisscross pattern to cook faster and look nicer. While you are working on the eggplant, heat the oil up to 180 degrees Celsius. Deep fry as soon as you finish scoring, otherwise the eggplant turns brown. Usually, we soak eggplant in water or sprinkle salt to prevent browning and remove the bitterness. But in this recipe, you don't need to do that because the oil removes any unwanted agent from the eggplant. Deep fry the eggplant until soft. The pan looks very crowded, but don't worry, it's okay. I don't want to crowd the pan when I deep fry something like tonkatsu or karaage to make a crispy exterior, but not in this case. Take out onto a strainer, then pour a generous amount of boiling water over it to remove excess oil. Drain and you can go on to the next step, but I repeat the process one more time. Drain and drip off the excess oil and set aside while making dashi broth. These steps make your eggplant lighter and tastier. Some of you might be thinking, what's the point of deep frying if you rinse in the hot water? Isn't that good enough to stir fry with a certain amount of oil? I did it before, but the texture is firm and unpleasant. I don't like the texture of boiled or steamed eggplant, and the eggplant didn't soak up the dashi as much as deep fried. Let's make dashi broth to cook it up. Bring the water to a boil and add in bonito flakes. Cook 7 to 8 minutes to make a good dashi broth. You can use any kind of dashi you have on your hand. Place your eggplant in a pan in a single layer and pour dashi, soy sauce, preferably light soy sauce, mirin and sugar. Simmer 5 minutes and stop cooking and let it cool to room temperature. Transfer to a shallow bowl and serve with shredded shiso leaves or scallion on top. There you have it. I serve with grilled miso marinated yellowtail and broccoli with sesame sauce. I don't serve miso soup in summertime because it's too hot. This is a typical dinner at my house. In the next day or within a couple of days, I make another dish with the leftover. Or I will say I made a big batch intentionally. Separate the dashi broth and eggplant and pour the dashi into a pot. Bring it to a boil, and if the broth is too salty, add in water to thin it out. Because the soumen noodles contain the salt on its own, we have to adjust the saltiness. Give it a nice stir not to stick each other. It doesn't take long to cooking. While cooking, cut eggplant into bite size. Add into a pot and cook until heat is through. There you have your Nasu-Soumen eggplant somen noodles. Serve with shredded ginger to give it a refreshing aroma and crunch. It doesn't look beautiful but tastes so comfortable. I like eating these noodles on top of my rice. That's my guilty pleasure. Give it a try and let me know how you like it. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And go to my website for the printable recipe and more information. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. Stay safe and stay healthy, and I will see you soon. Bye!